If your action camera keeps failing to connect to Wi-Fi or connects then drops straight away, this is one of the most common issues people run into, and it's almost always one of a handful of simple fixes. I'm going to walk through a few steps that I've learned along the way in order, starting with the quickest one so you can connect it and start recording straight away if you're in this situation now. Number one is the phone auto disconnects because it thinks there's no internet. The phone uses data, so that can be something to worry about in the Wi-Fi app. This is like the first main cause that a lot of people mention, and phones flag the camera's local Wi-Fi as having no internet, and then it drops it automatically. In Android, tap stay connected when prompted. When you plug it in, there's like an auto box come up. If you're using an iPhone, turn off Wi-Fi assist in cellular settings. That's like the most common issue you get. But let's be frank. Are you using your camera via Wi-Fi to see what you're recording, or are you planning to take stuff off your camera? Because if you want to take stuff off your camera, don't use a Wi-Fi app. Use a method which I taught in my other video, which is simply get a dongle which lets you put the card directly into your phone and copy them off faster, quicker, or get a data transfer cable and plug your camera in and take the footage off. They are superior. It's quicker, less battery life. It doesn't jump, so your files you're bringing over are bang on. This is number two. The phone's hotspot is also on. If your camera creates its own Wi-Fi network, and most phones can only handle one wireless connection type at a time, so turn off the personal hotspot before connecting. So try that. The distance signal strength, so try and get them quite close. If you're quite far away, it'll kind of struggle. And there's also a bit of Wi-Fi caching and pairing. If you're like using Bluetooth, delete the saved network in your pairing on your phone and reconnect from scratch, so treat it as a new connection. This normally fixes a lot of the connecting issues, especially for live view with your cameras. Some of the camera apps are rubbish, I'll be honest with you. I had like a couple of cameras back in the day, and the brands come to mind. Look at my videos, you'll search, you'll see them. It was like there's an afterthought. The apps weren't very good, and it's very finicky how you connect it. There is also app firmware being out of date. Sometimes manufacturers update like the camera Wi-Fi apps, but not the phones, the cameras even, and then they have issues connecting. So make sure you can update both the companion app and the camera firmware by ideally connecting it to your laptop or your phone to run the update. Try skipping the Wi-Fi entirely, because if you can get away with just bringing the photos over, videos over, using it as a webcam, you can do all of that with a cable. Plug a cable in, save yourself all the troubleshooting and the hassle. Just get a cable, it's about under $10, £10, £6-7. You can get a data transfer cable, Type C or USB. Those are your life-saving things. So anyone who's just reliably flat transfer, it's a million times better. The USB cable is going to be like a good strong one. If it's still not working, try an alternative third-party app. So if you go on the App Store, try and see if you can connect it to another app. Like sometimes the Acaso Apeman Cross-Store style cameras are more temperamental, so you could probably use like the apps from each of them. I have got a resource list link in the pinned comment where I covered a lot of questions in my last 10 years of these videos. I've had comments and frequently asked questions. I've put them all in together in one section. Check the pinned comment. I reckon that will answer most of your questions. You can search for your specific camera and it should help you out. I've compiled that. I'll see you on the next video here where we look at your action camera being paired with your laptop or your mobile to transfer files off and how easy that is compared to using a Wi-Fi.